Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install NumPy on the PyCharm IDE. So as you can see, I have written a very simple NumPy program here, but I can see this red squiggly line which says no module named NumPy. That means PyCharm is not recognizing my NumPy package, and that's why it will show the error when I run this program. So let me run this main.py file, and it shows me this error which says no module named NumPy. So in order to install NumPy for this project, my project name is Hello World, as you can see. So in order to install the NumPy package on this project, you can click on this file option and then click on settings. And once this settings window opens, you need to go to the project. So just click on project, and then the name of the project is Hello World, as you can see here, and then click on Python interpreter here, right? Now you need to select the Python interpreter. In my case it's 3.10, but it can be newer depending on when you are trying to install this NumPy on your PyCharm IDE. So choose the latest interpreter on top, and then you just need to click on this plus sign here. So click on this plus sign, which is going to open this kind of window, and here search for NumPy. So I'm going to just search for NumPy here, and then you will be able to see this NumPy option. Okay, so just select this NumPy, and then you just need to click on install package. Okay, so select NumPy here and then click on install package, and you can see it's showing this progress. And once NumPy package is installed, you will be able to see this green line, and here you can see the text package NumPy installed successfully. So once this package is installed successfully, you can close this window, and you will be able to see NumPy here listed in this section. Once you see NumPy listed here, you can click on OK, and then try to run your NumPy project once again. So you can see that red squiggly line is gone, and when I try to run my NumPy project, it's going to run and show me the result here. Okay, so this is how you can install NumPy on PyCharm. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.